Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're an Amazon seller looking for ways to scale your business, then you're in the right place. This tool helps you uncover potential areas for growth and provides valuable insights on improving your listings, increasing sales, and boosting your business performance. First things first, let's log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're in, head over to the Growth tab on the top menu. From there, click on Growth Opportunities. This tool is designed to give you tailored recommendations to improve your product listings, enhance customer satisfaction, and ultimately increase sales. You can download all the recommendations in an Excel file by clicking on Download Report right here. You can follow these recommendations, like the ones here for sponsored brands ads and sponsored display ads. For cost cutting, you can use suggestions like reducing excessive inventory to optimize your operations. You can also create comparison tables, as Amazon is suggesting for certain ASINs. This helps potential customers easily compare features and make informed decisions, boosting your chances of a sale. In the Growth Opportunities dashboard, you'll see sections like Improve Sales, Reduce Cost, and Drive Traffic. Each section highlighting key areas for growth. For increasing sales, Amazon might recommend adding a content or running a brand awareness campaign. To boost traffic, Amazon may suggest running display ads. And for reducing costs, they may advise eliminating Amazon labeling services or removing excess inventory. After reviewing the suggestions, implementing them is easy. Whether it's updating your listing, running an ad, or adjusting your price, just follow the steps in each section. These small adjustments can lead to significant improvements in sales performance over time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another tip. Thanks for watching.